Hi guys, it's me Giovanni again, and and this is another video about the noodles. Now, um, so he reacted to another cartoon animation. I okay. So there's no way in hell that I would want to watch cartoon animations in my life. Because even though I used to watch cartoons as a kid like anyone else, I, it's, I feel like now people just have these videos that are just weird and not even like on the same level as a project that they once were from. Like, for example, Five Nights at Freddy's, and now Poppy Playtime. I don't know how I why just why? I'm seriously so confused, like why is this even happening? Oh, and there was also the true story of Roblox stores. I do not even want to explain Roblox stores because things just come out of nowhere and I'm just like, what the hell is even happening? This doesn't even make any sense. And Roblox Stores is the most scariest Roblox horror game ever. Since Piggy is finally dead. But doors with monsters. Yeah, no. And I just want to say, I'm just glad that Thing Noodles is back on Fan Choice Friday suggestions. And good news! People are now choosing Pokemon Scarlet and Violet. Thank you, people, for choosing that game because he seriously just needs to get back into the old school things that he used to do, like Minecraft or even Pokemon. Or maybe even Club Penguin. R.I.P. Club Penguin, but you will never be missed as you are now in a Roblox game, and I love it. And I fucking love it. Excuse me. Now, I still get angry from the things he still has and does on his channel. Especially since he has this in his description. This is just great. This is just great. You know what? I'm so glad that I no longer have my old friends to judge me because not only are they complete waste of my time, but my stepbrother just won't stop using the bathroom, apparently. Or even his mother, Karen. My nose is still stuffy. So, and of course the shorts having, the sounds made for Roblox games and, Wednesday, I'm so sorry if the noodles is watching you. I am really sorry. He probably doesn't even know you because he's an what was that word? Oh yeah, uncultured swine. He's an uncultured fucking swine. Now, I'm just glad that he's no longer playing horror games for now. But these cartoon animations, why? Why? Just why? Just tell me, why? Why is this even a thing? I'm seriously so confused. How is this even a thing? You know, since Thing Noodles has officially lost his mind, over like a few days ago, or maybe a month ago, or 2 months ago, I wouldn't be surprised, but at the same time, just utterly confused. Because why? Just why, Justin? Why? Look, I get it. Minecraft. He lost interest in Minecraft, but at the same time, who cares? And finally, and second, sure, people have moved on to other stuff, including myself, but horror games? Really? Horror games? Really? You know, Robin told me that the reason why he probably played horror games is because he's not as confident to watch horror movies. But at the same time, that would be complete bullshit. Because he's an adult. He's literally a goddamn adult. Sure, he's sensitive, especially if it was due to sex and naked people. And probably even gore, bodies, people dying in gory ways. But it's a horror movie. And sure, sometimes the gore factor for horror movies can be completely insane. I can understand. But at the same time, I just don't know why he can't just watch a horror movie and just not flinch, as in not get scared. I mean, for me, it's entertaining, but sometimes unsettling. But you know what? I don't care. It's a movie. It's a horror movie. And I like horror movies. And is that really a problem? No. If Thing Noodles was to actually play a horror game that wouldn't appeal to people due to his fan base being completely out of whack, it would be puppet combo games that have dialogue of cussing, a horror movie atmosphere, people dying, because of course, even when it's treated like a slasher movie. One of my favorite puppet combo games is Nun Massacre. And of course, people might have known that. Well, known the game. Okay, I did not know my 3 biggest fears exhibit of SARS was a thing. But, Thing Noodles. Why? Why? Nobody would care enough to even watch your videos anymore because they're trash. They are trash. I mean, not all of them, but most of them, yes, are trash. And, since I have friends and people who agree with me, they say that Justin's content is getting boring. They say that his behavior is weird, but also rude. And, Justin, I don't know why you don't have much controversy, when in reality, you do have much controversy. With, fans. Just, me and other people just, seeing that you are no longer a nice person. I mean, metaphorically, not literally. It's just that your content is getting boring. Your behavior is completely out of touch with reality, as I can see. I mean, sure, you like playing games, and sure, it might be a game to you, but you're a real-life human being. You seriously just need to get off of the horror game train and go back to the old school train. It's waiting for you. It's waiting for you, Justin. It's waiting for you. It's crying out to you. And you need to go there. Go there. Go there now. Please. Oh, and I still have copycats, apparently. And it's not fun. There's 3 copycats. There's now 3 of them. Oh yeah, what was I? Yeah. So, oh yeah, I don't know why these copycats exist. Oh yeah, Riff. So, for people who are making jokes, especially ones that I have already seen and that I deleted from my comment section, the touch grass thing, really? What kind of joke is that? Go touch grass? Really? Are you fucking dumb? Are you people just saying random stuff and just pointing them as jokes? Because they're not jokes to me. It doesn't matter if I don't have a sense of humor. I just want to be a normal person. That's all. Can I please just be a normal person in peace? Thank you. Now, the touch grass thing. I hate it. Okay, people, can you please just shut up? I don't want to hear these stupid, offensive, inappropriate, disgusting jokes. They're flat out stupid. What kind of sense of humor do you expect me to even react to? Nothing. Okay? I don't care about your sense of humor. All I care is that you're a nice person. A nice, normal, upbeat person. Okay? Please. Can you please? Okay. Thank you for watching this chaotic video about Dignitas, mostly. I hope to see you in the next video. Okay. Bye.